and welcome to my world and imagination. So today we're going to open these LOL eggs, and I already opened it without videoing it, but this is what I got. It's with the kitty and the ear, and
That's upside down?
Oh. This is what I got. It's like a statue, but yeah, it's really nice.
Don't move your hands.
For giving me this. I'm really happy that you gave me it, especially that I love LOL. We're going to get one, and then we're going to take this off, the pink wrapping, and I really like it all.
We'll see what's inside.
Yeah, but I don't really want to crack it. How do you crack it?
Just crack it. Are you gonna eat all the chocolates?
No, really, because because we went to the doctors, and the doctor says don't eat lots of chocolate. So
Why?
because it's not good. My teeth is fixed bad. How do you open it?
Crack?
How do you open it? Nope.
Don't use your teeth. Can you do it?
I can't do it.
I will do it.
This is what I now have. I like this one because it has a background. The background is really nice, if you see.
Show
That one.
Don't take it out.
That background is really nice. And this one is a stripy one, which I really like too, because pink is my favorite color.
Okay.
And this one has like boy hair, but it's still a girl. And this one, I already know it's a girl because the girl is a little bit like cat. But anything like boys, like different stuff, like my friend from school. And this is so cute. Only for this sorry the actually the bingo bit. How the bit home is cute the bingo.
Yes. That's it?
This is more the bit meal. How is the bingo service? I don't see the actually the bingo.
Okay.
Oh. We're going to open the last one. The same as the Morati. There's no more. Because there was only 3 in the box, it could only fit. That's an egg. That's the egg. And take this out. So now we're gonna crack it. Oh, this crack is so bad. Yes. How do you crack this? I just cracked it. Yes, that's it. This is making it a lot of bigger. Oh, bigger baby with the dado. What is wrong with that? Oh, hook. Good, my feet. It's a flies. It's a flies. Mommy, it's a flies.
Surprise!
Yes, it's a flies, Addy. Wait, that doesn't look the same as this one. Yes. What?
Alright, have a look what's inside.
I don't
You
know.
just
I'm
have to
not
press
sure.
it. Press it together from the middle.
Why is it different than
There.
this one? Oh, that's easy. And how do you do it?
Okay.
Oh!
What is that?
Which one? I got that one.
Where?
I got a heart.
Which one?
This one. I got that one.
Ah, okay, the blue one.
Yeah, I got this one. And
But
this
it's a
one.
pony.
Yeah, ponytail. Heck.
What's that, Ria?
What heck?
Chocolate.
Yes. Only chocolate one day for like a day.
Alright, so you're having a pony in one egg.
Yeah, I'm gonna agree. I eat. So I'm going to show you what I was gonna miss. So I'm missing this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. No, actually, I got that one. I have that one, so I'm missing. I'm missing those ones. They look different, but you see? No. What? But you see, that one is is pink in the end, and that one is white. So that's different. And I was missing all of these except that one. And wait, what? No, I'm missing this one, and this one, and that one. But I have that one only, except these ones. So I need to get it. So, so I'm going to show you all of these. So I can't hold them in both sides. So just do that. I got a hair tie, and I got this kitty stripe thing. This kitty stripe LOL one, and this one that I really wanted because the background is really nice. It has an LOL here. Yeah, I know. It has an LOL here and the same LOL here.
Mommy.
And yeah.
Mommy.
It's really cute.
Mommy.
Something from our video, please subscribe, like, and share to see more videos of me and my brother.
And my brother.
Wait.
What is your name?
Tyrus.
Macarius.
Or yeah, that's a duck.